Are you sitting around looking at your kitchen cabinets right now and saying, man, I wish those doors lined up? Well, I'm gonna show you a really easy way of how to do it yourself. Today I'm gonna show you a really quick way and easy of how to adjust your kitchen cabinet door hinges. Okay, so now first things first. This is a pretend door, this is a hinge. This is a hidden hinge, so yours might look a little different. This is a concealed, hidden, European style hinge that is pretty common in most kitchens. So what it looks like is when the door is closed, you do not see the hinge at all. This is a straight arm hinge. All hinges are pretty much very similar for the most part for adjusting. The adjustments are all gonna be in the same, area. Depending on the brand, it might change a little, but for the most part, this will answer most of your questions and you should be able to do it. Okay, so when I open the cabinet door, you're gonna see this. Most likely. This front screw right here is gonna adjust in and out. So when the door closes, like you see here, this is the front of my door, that first screw is gonna adjust the door this way and this way. So now when I open it back up, if I tighten this screw, it's actually just brought the door over to this way. Now, at the same time, if I loosen that screw, it's gonna bring it this way. So that's gonna work primarily on most of your hinges the same exact way. So now we have this screw adjustment. This one, when you turn it left or right, is gonna bring the door away from the cabinet. So this is gonna be the side of the cabinet. This is still our front of our cabinet door. So when I tighten it and loosen it, it brings the door away from the cabinet and into the cabinet. You'll need this adjustment if you wanna have everything looking really good on the outside of the cabinet or even bringing the doors flush with each other. Now the last one will be either located right here in the center. That's gonna bring our door, when we tighten it and loosen it, up or down. Now if you have this style, it will be right here in between, but as you notice the one down here, there's no screw hole here. And that's because it is located on the plates. So the actual plate you have to loosen, and then you can lift this door up and down just by loosening the plate. So you have one of two options for that middle one. Just remember the front screw is your in and out, the back screw is your front to back, and the middle screw is your up and down. Remember that, and you should be gold. Have those kitchen doors looking like brand new. And remember, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them down below. I will be personally happy to answer any of them that I can. And if you have any other questions about ordering from the website over at woodworkerexpress.com, there is a phone number located directly on their website. We'll see you next time.